we are taking a look at the brand new ScaleTrains Rivet Counter C39-8. I wanted to kind of go through a first look and show you some of the functions, features, and let you hear what this thing sounds like. So we'll start off with the first function, obviously the headlight. We get that on. Next would be the bell, as we just kind of go through the different functions. So we've got the bell going on. Next is the horn. So they've got some additional sounds. So we've got couplers. There are dynamic brakes, but we won't hear that when not moving. One of my favorite things that I like about this are the class lights. So we turn them on, and then we can cycle through different color class lights. Through the startup sequence. I did notice that the number boards are tied to the startup of the engine and the sounds. So once we have it up and running, we can kind of inch forward a little bit. And then I'm going to put it on the engine hold so we can just kind of go through and see if we can get some sound out of this. As we slowly creep forward, we can look at some of these fine details. Not only that, you see that the grills of the model are all see-through. I've flipped around the model so we can see the other side.